This is chocolate peanut tea. The taste of chocolate is mild here. I thought the taste of chocolate would be dominant here, but it's mild in nature. It is just a basic tea with a little mix of some peanuts, and the amount of chocolate is very little here. The price of this tea is only 50 taka. I can rate this tea 6.5 to 7 out of 10. I am from Tong at Pantupot, and it is much more crowded and noisy place than expected. I'd say now tea business is the most popular and safe business in Bangladesh. I'm almost done. See you again in another video.